Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your plan and signal because tethering often fails when blocked by carrier or due to no data. Next, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the host and client, then open Hotspot settings and set a clear SSID and strong password. Once done, restart both devices to clear temporary network glitches. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data is enabled. These quick checks prevent common failures and get you into the detailed fixes next. Now dig into configuration. Toggle personal hotspot off and on, and try both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tethering to isolate the transport layer. If the client gets an IP conflict or can't reach DNS, reset network settings on the host to clear saved cellular and Wi-Fi profiles. Make sure the phone's OS and carrier settings are up to date because carriers push fixes. If problems persist, inspect the APN tethering rules in the cellular settings. These steps fix deeper software and finish by repairing Bluetooth or rejoining the hotspot over Wi-Fi, making sure you accept any permission prompts and renew the IP lease on the client. Once connected, verify internet access with a simple page load. If it fails, try a different client device to rule out device-specific issues. If problems continue, record error messages and signal strength. Then contact your carrier, provide logs and billing details, because some carriers require provisioning changes to enable tethering on your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.